Hey YouTube, we're here with Turbojet. We're going to do a evening flight video here. Where's the wood chipping? I wonder if I got some paint built up on there. I might take our flaps on so I can run at a little slower throttle here. I'll come back around here. What's your gear, guys? You don't have to make a really super long video, Ron.
That's good. Do you want to do the gear again? You were behind the tree.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Let's do like a slow pass with gear. Here's the gear. Gear up. Boy, that thing looks sweet up against this backdrop, doesn't it?
Yeah, the clouds are cool. About a minute 58 from flight time being over. Might do a touch and go. Check behind me for gear. You are clear.
Okay. Touch and go. Last time I did a touch and go, I didn't ever go. I just touched. Hey, minute 14, I'm not taking it until landing here, man. Gear coming out. Let's check the gear real quick. Let's see if we have anything even remotely damaged. Beautiful plane, guys. Just love this thing. It's been one of my favorite planes. Really easy going, easy to fly. Very reliable, actually. Once I got my gear sorted out, so they were on their own channel, I haven't had a problem since. So, you already bought one, go get one. You're not gonna have lights. Some of the gear door mods, these vents and things like that. Get a shot of the cockpit in there. Just a real simple thing there. That's just the little details. I'm running a 60C 2200 milliamp 3S with XT60 connector. No problems at all. These things don't puff at all. If you run a 45, now it does get warm, but if you're running a 45, then you'll puff them. So they'll work, but you'll puff them. Just plan on it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.